Looking to refresh your home this season? Finding spring decor that's both stylish and affordable can be challenging. Today's video showcases 5 spring decor ideas that transform any space without breaking the bank. Keep watching to discover how these items can brighten your home just in time for spring. Check the description box below for direct links to all products mentioned. Let's dive in. First up at number 5, this Handicrafts Home Scalloped Art Picture Frame. Talk about a gorgeous touch of elegance. The hand-carved scalloped bone inlay pattern brings such a sophisticated vibe to any room. Whether you hang it on your wall or use it as desk decor, this frame works wonders. It's made to fit standard 4x6 photos, perfect for showing off family portraits or those vacation memories that bring a smile to your face. But wait, there's more. This frame is crafted from a beautiful combination of bone inlay and pine MDF, which gives it a visual appeal that really stands out compared to the typical, basic picture frames we usually see. Whether you're going for a farmhouse, modern, or minimalist style, this frame effortlessly complements a variety of home decors. Now let's be real for a second. While this frame is a showstopper, a few customers have mentioned that it can be a bit delicate, especially when it comes to scratches. So, be sure to handle it with care. Some reviewers have also questioned the authenticity of the materials used, so it's definitely worth checking out those reviews before making your purchase. That being said, if you're looking to add something unique to your spring decor, this frame is a total standout. Its one-of-a-kind scallop design isn't something you'll find just anywhere. It's the perfect way to elevate your seasonal display without having to completely overhaul your room. At number 4, the Kamang Artificial Poppy Silk Flowers. If you've been wanting to bring a bit of spring into your home without all the maintenance, this is the perfect solution. Each set includes 3 stems with 9 beautiful blooms and 3 buds, all in a lovely pastel coral color that just screams spring. These silk poppies look so real, it's almost impossible to tell the difference. The silky stems and delicate blooms mimic fresh flowers perfectly. Plus, if you're someone who suffers from allergies but still wants to enjoy the beauty of flowers, these are a game changer. The bendable wire stems mean you can adjust the height and arrangement to fit any vase or container you have at home. Now, a heads up, the stems are made from frosted materials to give them that natural look, so you might notice a little frost falling off when you unwrap them. It's totally normal, but just be prepared for a little mess. They come packaged in eco-friendly craft paper, which is great, but they may arrive bent due to shipping. Not to worry though, it's an easy fix with a little reshaping, and they'll look good as new. Some customers did mention the flowers being a bit smaller than expected, so make sure to check the size before you buy. If you're tired of constantly replacing fresh flowers, these artificial poppies give you lasting spring color that you can use year after year. They're perfect as table centerpieces or mantle decorations, instantly brightening up your space for the season. Coming in at number 3, the Loloi Rifle Paper Collection Accent Rug. This piece perfectly combines comfort and style with its stunning vintage-inspired floral motifs. Imagine stepping onto a plush surface that feels absolutely luxurious underfoot. It's perfect for bedrooms or living areas that need a little extra warmth and charm. Crafted from 100% power-loomed polyester, this rug is built to last, even in high-traffic areas of your home. The digitally printed artwork stands out with vibrant colors that stay rich and beautiful, even after multiple washes. With a medium 0.38-inch pile height, it strikes the perfect balance between softness and practicality, so it's comfortable yet durable enough for daily use. If you've got a busy household, you'll love how this rug holds up without losing its beauty. Many customers find it comfy enough to use without a rug pad underneath, though adding one could definitely help prolong its lifespan. Now, here's a quick heads up. A few buyers have mentioned that the rug's colors might differ slightly from what you see online. The shades could appear a bit brighter or not exactly as pictured, so it's always a good idea to keep that in mind when choosing the perfect match for space. If you're in the market for a statement piece to bring in the spring, this rug is just what you need. It brings a refreshing pop of color and comfort, all while being practical enough for everyday use. What do you think? Could this rug be the perfect addition to your home this spring? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. At number 2, the KUNJOULAM pleated table lamp is here to give your room a cozy, spring-inspired makeover. Standing just under 10 inches tall, with a 9.45-inch diameter shade, this lamp is the perfect size for nightstands, end tables, or even kitchen shelves. The modern egg-shaped base, combined with the pleated fabric shade, creates a sleek yet timeless silhouette that fits seamlessly into any space. Plus, it comes with a 5-watt 3000K E12 LED bulb that casts a warm, inviting glow ideal for those relaxed spring evenings. With a convenient rocker switch on the cord, controlling the lamp is a breeze. And if you like to personalize your lighting, it's compatible with various bulb types, giving you the freedom to adjust the brightness and warmth to your liking. Its compact design makes it a great option for smaller spaces where you want style without overwhelming the room. However, a few customers have pointed out that the lamp's size might be a little smaller than expected based on the photos. If you're looking for something that really fills the room with light, this may not be the best fit. There have also been a couple of reports about quality control, with some buyers experiencing construction issues. But if you're looking for an affordable way to update your lighting for spring, this lamp offers a stylish solution without the need for major changes or electrical work. The warm glow it gives off will instantly enhance your space, blending perfectly with your seasonal decor. The best spring decor idea on our list is the BOMAROLAN artificial tulip wreath. Trust me, this 20-inch wreath will completely transform any space. With its full circle of lifelike tulips arranged on a natural twig base, it creates an instant, vibrant focal point that brings the essence of spring into your home. Each tulip in this wreath is meticulously handcrafted, making them look incredibly realistic. The combination of white flowers with subtle green and yellow accents complements a wide variety of home styles, all while maintaining a bright, seasonal feel. It's the perfect way to celebrate the season without compromising on elegance. What really sets this wreath apart, though, is its versatility. You can use it as a front door decoration, a stunning focal point on a mantle, or a chic statement piece on any wall. And the best part? It's built to last. The durable construction ensures it can be displayed indoors or outdoors, so you get to enjoy it wherever you like. Plus, unlike real flowers, this wreath requires no maintenance at all. It stays fresh looking throughout the entire season, and many customers rave about how the vibrant colors remain rich and beautiful, even after weeks of display. If you're searching for a spring decor piece that adds major visual impact with minimal effort, this artificial tulip wreath is the way to go. With its top-notch craftsmanship, realistic look, and endless styling possibilities, it's the one-time purchase you'll get to enjoy year after year. Those were our top 5 spring decor ideas to refresh your home this season. Each item brings something unique to the table, offering fresh, seasonal style to every corner of your house. Do you have a favorite? Let us know in the comments below. For direct links to all the products, check out the description box. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more home decor tips.